Hello, I'm Whitney with Let's Create Art, and today I'm going to talk to you about a problem solver product from Dixie Belle Paint Company. It is called Slick Stick. So it is perfect for use on any slicky surface that just feels really smooth and glides a lot. It also, like for glass, mirrors, if you have a piece of furniture like this one that is kind of like a laminate, like not really real wood, and it's really smooth, it's been like clear coated, it's just not the real wood that the paint is going to soak in, you're going to want to use this problem solver product called Slick Stick. It's really easy to use. I've already done most of the piece on the front and the sides, and then I'm going to kind of show you how to use it here along the top. It is white, and I just use a chippy brush, an old brush. I don't push really hard because I don't want a lot of brush bristle, like stroke lines coming through. If there's a little bit, it's okay because we're gonna put paint on the top. So I'm gonna take the lid off, and then we're gonna start painting the top of this. Okay, so now we're gonna put the Slick Stick across the top, and when we do this, we want to take our brush in long, smooth strokes all the way on and off as fast as we can and as smooth as we can. We don't want to push hard because that makes the brush bristles go into the piece and spread out. So we just kind of want to hit the top of the piece, and then we also don't want to go back and forth over the product multiple times. Sometimes it can cause it to be sticky and pick up and get kind of chunky, rough looking. I also have a water mister. It's a fine mist water bottle, and it is key to the Dixie Belle chalk paint. This is water based, and so you can use the water with it. It helps it smooth and glide just like the paint. Okay, so I'm putting my brush in the paint and the Slick Stick, and I'm not getting a ton of Slick Stick on there. And then I'm just gonna go right along the front, and then I'm gonna work towards the back. Now you can see this is really not covered very well. I can spray it with some more water and pick up some more Slick Stick if I need, and then kind of fill it in. And it doesn't necessarily have to cover the color all the way. You just want to provide enough grip to the piece so that the paint doesn't start chipping off over time. So the Slick Stick makes the surface that is slicky, whether it's glass or just this laminate top, it makes the paint attached to it so that you don't have the sheets of paint that peel off or chip later on down the road. There's nothing worse than finishing your piece of furniture and the paint didn't adhere, and now it's just kind of chipping off. So it's okay that the color shows through. This is obviously red, so if I was using like a white paint, the red is gonna show through. You can do your Slick Stick a little bit heavier and thicker if you want, or Dixie Belle also has another product called Boss that would block that red color. You can use Slick Stick and Boss together. So I am planning on painting this a light white color. So I'm going to put the Slick Stick down first so that the paint will attach to it, but I'm also going to put down Boss afterwards because as you can see, the red is still kind of coming through my Slick Stick here, and I want it to, I don't want that red bleeding through into my light colored paint that I plan on putting on the top. So I'm putting just this thin layer here of the Slick Stick so that nothing will start chipping off and peeling later. And then I am also going to put a layer of Boss down. If you're doing a darker color like black or navy, you don't have to Boss it. So this is Dixie Belle's Boss. We have a tutorial on that also. You can check that out. But just like that, simple, easy process of using Dixie Belle Slick Stick to make our slicky furniture turn